Alright, what is up guys? Welcome to a new video. Oh dang, the sun is bright. Welcome to a new video. So today we're going to be working on the Integra. Gonna finally be taking care of that cable that came off on the freeway. Here is the new battery cable. So we got that right there. About to put that on. Then we're also going to put some lights, some underglow on the car. I know, as you can tell by the title, is it nice or is it rice? Or is it rice or is it nice? Or however you want to name it. But we're going to put underglow. I just want to do it just for shit and giggles, bro. Like, whenever I roll to meet, just turn them on and see what people's reaction. I mean, I don't care. Call me a ricer or whatever. I mean, if you want to line them up, we could race. I ain't even tripping, you know. I just want to, you know, just try something new. Put some underglow. If I don't like it, I mean, just take it off or don't turn them on. Simple as that. I've seen a lot of people install them, and I think it's pretty cool, pretty simple to install. So I'm just gonna slap them on. They were like 20 bucks on Amazon. Put the link down below so you can see how much they cost, or if you want to pick some up yourself. And yeah, put them on. I don't really see a lot of people around the area with them on, so whatever. So let's get this battery cable installed, and we'll do the underglow. Alright guys, so we got the battery cable all installed now. So there's the connection where all the power meets up at. Make sure I zip tied all the wires so there's nothing hanging. And we ran it through the inside of the car again. Sorry, my interior is messy. That's gonna be another thing I have to work on later. But yeah, so I run along there to the back, and I have to clean it up a little bit here, a little better, tuck a little more down. But I have all the slack in the back instead of in the front. I don't know why I had it all the slack up here before, and that's when it got caught on the axle. But I'm about to show you guys the underglow. So this is the underglow kit I ordered from Amazon. Like I said, I'll link it down below. And yeah, so let me open it up for you guys real quick. So it comes with a controller that lets you move, different colors on it, and some little brackets to bracket onto. All the power sources, which that's where the fuse goes, I'm assuming. And I guess this is the box that lets you control everything. So probably should try to get this as close as possible to the driver's seat. And this is the underglow itself right here. So I know it has 2 long pieces and 2 shorter pieces. So the 2 long pieces are for the sides, and the 2 shorter ones are for the front and the rear. So hopefully it doesn't get dark right now, because I'm too lazy to move the notch out the garage. But I'm about to lift the car up right now, and so we can install probably the front and the 2 sides, and then I'll do the rear after. So I'll show you guys how to do it right now. Let me just lift the car up. Alright guys, so here's just a little test run on it that we're doing. So we just got to kind of wire it up to the battery, and we have a green. You could change the different colors right here with the controller, but like I said, you got to be pretty close to this to change the colors. So red, it's like a bunch of different colors. I think you could even do like flash and like flash them, but I mean, I only want it for like a single color. Probably just rock the green. But I mean, it's not dark right now, so obviously it's not too bright. But yeah, so you know, there's a shorter one, longer one, so you know, sides. I'm probably gonna run it through the front since I have the battery source, the power source up there, and then I'll try to get that box as close as I could to the driver's side, like I said. That way the controller works cool. But yeah, let's get this installed. It has double-sided tape, so it shouldn't be too bad. And then I'll try to make it so the wiring hanging all that. But yeah, let's get it done. Alright guys, I'm about to give you a little progress of how it looks right now. So far we have a zip tie to the front, and I think we have to zip tie because, you know, the car's caked with like a bunch of grease. So we ran the wire kind of around the track bar, then underneath the control arm. That way it's not gonna be in the middle of the control arm and the axle. And then we ran where the connection goes on the top, which is right here, and that's what connects to that box. And then we're gonna run it inside to the car, so the box will be in the car, and then we'll run the power wires, which they include these guys right here. That way we run that to the front, and then that's why for the power, basically. That way the box is in the car, and the color changing little controller will work, because like it doesn't have that much range, to be honest. But yeah, I'm gonna try to finish this up. Alright guys, another quick little update. So right now we got both the sides and the front done. Dang, that light really turns like the camera off kind of weird. Let me turn it off real quick. Makes the light, the camera focus weird. All right, there we go. So that's how it looks so far.
You haven't done the back yet?
You still need to do the back,
yeah.
But something like that. And I'm gonna show you the bottom how it looks. So it comes with these little clips, and you basically just bolt them on. Here's one right here, another one right there. So those kind of bolt on there. So we did that to the two sides, and then we zip tied the front one with all the zip ties right there, because the tape was not working at all. And then you can see the wiring right there. We just try to be careful that we try to tuck the wiring up as much as possible and zip tied it. Just use zip ties. You know, you should get zip ties. You're gonna need it. So go to AutoZone or wherever you're from, you know, your auto parts store, and get some zip ties. And we basically hooked it up to the power source where the main battery power cable goes, and then grounded off to something else for the ground. But that's how it looks so far, and it looks pretty cool. I mean, call me ricer or whatever, I don't care. Because if I don't, you know, if I don't feel like being a ricer, quote unquote, I just turn them off and boom, I don't even know the car has them until I want them on. So I think that's pretty badass. So I'm about to drop the car real quick because we are done with the two sides in the front. That way we can start on the back, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. But hey, for 25 bucks, if you want to be a ricer like me, shit. Hey, this doesn't actually, it does work pretty far. Not bad. Let's change the color to like purple. Or let's do red. Really, no, let's flash. That's pretty badass.
Be a little Christmas light.
Yeah, man, for the holidays, you know. Oh yeah, by the way, I'll probably upload this Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas to all you guys, and I hope you guys have a good New Year's. And you know, hopefully I get, you know, a lot more subscribers and stuff next year. Hit my goal though, 1K subs this year, but I'm really juiced about it. So thank you all you guys, and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. But let's finish this install. Alright guys, so we finished it off. So it's right here. We're about to turn the lights off, turn the car on, and probably drive it up the street and drive down so you guys can see how it looks. Pretty happy with the results, to be honest. 25 bucks. I mean, it did take a while. We did, you know, we tried to get as best as we could. We don't want the LED strips to show. I'm scared that they might show in the front because I don't have nowhere to really put them on. So I had to put them on like somewhere where I could kind of see them, but you have to like really crouch down to see them. So I mean, whatever. I'm about to put a lip on the car too that I have over here, and it should cover the strip. But you have to like really get down to see the strip, so you might be fine there. So let's turn the car on, let it warm up a little bit, and then take it up the street with the lights on. Shoot. Looks pretty sick. Oh, I can hear him coming. The front, you can heck tell.
You good?
You can heck see it.
Good.
Yeah, you have to put the lip on it for sure. You have to put the lip on it for sure. Like when you're coming down, I mean, I guess it's up the hill, so I mean, you can see it. See?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Need the lip.
That's the one thing I knew. I was like, dang. I mean, worst comes to worst is zip tie, bro. We could move it. We could move it.
Yeah, I mean,
We're gonna move it upward or something.
we can move it for sure. I mean, other than that, it doesn't look bad. smoking a lot for some reason. Like it's cold. Yeah. Well, yeah, guys, there we go. That's the little quick install on the Underglow.
It looks way better in person than probably camera.
Does it?
I mean, for me,
Yeah, it does look better in person, I ain't gonna lie. It don't look bad though. Well, that's it right there, guys. Quick little, dang, that car's flying. Watch out. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. I mean, whatever. Like I said, 20 bucks, can't go wrong with it. Just for fun, nothing serious. I mean, hey, let's go steal some trucks, bro.
for real.
Let's go rob some trucks. Look at some TVs, I think. That's what in Fast and the Furious, that's what they were stealing. For some reason, my check engine light turned on. I'm not sure why. Maybe because I did a little pull. Maybe the car wasn't warm up yet, so drew the check engine light on. Might go get some E85 right now. So yeah, guys. If I don't see no one in Mexico, you know, I'm on my way to Mexico to go get some E85. I don't see no one. That video will be ending here. So till the next one, guys. Deuces.
Louder.